Welcome to WPM Home. Today, we will show you how to pair the WPM Home Zigbee sensors or detector with Tuya app, such as door and window sensor, motion sensor, light sensor, vibration sensor, temperature and humidity sensor,
with display,
smoke detector, gas detector, siren,
and wireless switch.
To pair the sensors with Tuya app, you will need to turn on the pairing mode for each sensor
By holding the pairing button for 5 seconds.
until the indicator starts to blink. The pairing button for door and window sensors is located at the top of the device. Motion sensor pairing button is at the side. Light sensor pairing button is at the top of the device. Vibration sensor pairing button is at the top as well. Temperature and humidity sensor is at the bottom of the device.
Temperature and humidity sensor with display, the pairing button is located at the top.
Smoke detector pairing button is located at the front together with the light indicator. And same goes to gas detector. For siren will be slightly different. You are required to hold the volume up and volume down button at the same time.
For wireless switch, you are required to open up the cover and long press the small button inside the switch.
After you have turned on the pairing mode for the sensors or detectors, open Tuya app, select the Zigbee gateway that you paired earlier, select Add Sub-Device, select LED already blink, and Tuya app will scan and add accordingly. Once the scanning is complete, select Done and rename the device. At the end, don't forget to follow WPM Home Facebook and YouTube for more tutorial videos. See ya!